Hi guys, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. I can't even finish this introduction. Okay, so why do I have pantyhose on top of my head? Well, first of all, I had to get your attention. Do I have your attention? And these are mine. These are nobody else's. I have an old pair of pantyhose on my head that I've already cut. This is what's left of the legs, the right leg and the left leg. Do you want to know why? Do you want to know why? Because in the furniture restoration business, I heard through the grapevine that you can get a super smooth top coat by cutting pantyhose and putting it over a automotive like waxing sponge. That's what this is here. You can buy these at Walmart or an automotive store. I got mine at Walmart. So there's the pad, there's the Velcro handle. You stick it on like that, and then I'm not kidding you guys, you cut off a piece of your pantyhose, the nylon, and then you wrap it around it, and then you apply your polyacrylic or your top coat on your furniture like that. And what it's supposed to do is supposed to eliminate bubbles. The nylon does that, and it gives you a super smooth finish. Now, I am here to tell you that I have used this method, the one with the round sponge. I did like it. I was a little frustrated though when I came to the corner of a piece, because if you can see, a circle doesn't fit in a corner. You have like this little gap right there, and it couldn't get in there. So upon further Googling and watching other people's YouTube videos, I found another method that can work, and that would be taking a nylon bootie, which I have over my hand here. These are smaller, so you know when you go in a shoe store and you don't have socks on and they have those little nylon booties? That's what this is, okay? Little one. And I found someone who said, wrap it around a foam brush and try applying your top coat like that. So you got a 2-inch foam brush, take the nylon bootie like this, put it around. Now you don't want the seam on it. You want to just kind of fit it over, oh so delicately, like so, and grab the rest of it and kind of just like twist it up by the handle and apply your top coat like that. So I'm gonna try this method. I'll be everybody's guinea pig, I don't care. I like trying new methods out. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna give you my full review on what I think about the bootie, can I call it the bootie method? I don't know, that might get some unwanted attention on YouTube, which I don't want. How do I, it is the booty sock method, I guess. All right, it is what it is, right people? Hell, I got nylons on my head. You know, if you kind of like what if I twisted it? Would that make it even? Why am I even trying to figure this out? I don't know, because I look ridiculous. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go try the booty method, the booty sock method over my foam brush. And I'm gonna try and apply top coat on this coffee table behind me. I finished it a while ago, and then there was a scratch. And then I'd fix the scratch, and then now I'm reapplying the top coat again, so it looks beautiful once again. So I'm gonna apply top coat with the booty sock method, you guys, over that foam brush, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it, okay? Let's do it. Okay, you guys, do you see I'm gonna try this new method? I was told it eliminates streaks when applying top coat. Hey, I'll try anything once. So you take a 2-inch foam brush, you take a booty sock, you heard me, a booty sock, the ones that you put on if you got no socks on in a shoe store. You wrap it around the 2-inch brush like that, okay? I'm hoping I'm making myself clear. So there's the end of the sock where your feet would be, your toes. I'm pulling it like halfway up, and I'm gonna hold it with my thumb. And I've already done half of this coffee table. My verdict so far, I'm kind of digging it, you guys. I know it sounds a little silly putting a nylon booty sock over a brush, and applying your top coat. But when you want a flawless, smooth top coat, you'll try anything. So I'm using General Finishes gel top coat in a satin finish. I normally apply this with just my foam brush, and I'm not going to say I get streaks, but sometimes you can kind of tell where my layers overlap, and I was told this method here with the nylon bootie alleviates that, and it just really brings your finish super, super smooth. No lines, no bubbles. So far, so good, you guys. We'll see how it looks when it dries. I'm digging it. So you can see I put my top coat on first. I just get it completely covered in a section, and then I go over it in one direction, dragging my foam brush. So here I go, dragging my foam brush from one end to the other without stopping to get my flawless look. I'm almost done with the center portion of this drop leaf coffee table. And then we'll step back and take a look at it. And then once it dries, I'll give you my final verdict on me experimenting with the bootie nylon sock over foam brush. Here we go. One more time. Oops. I always step back and look and see if there's any globs of top coat. I noticed I had one right there. There we go. Okay, I'm inspecting my work. I think it looks good. All right, you guys, I will give my final review of the bootie sock method. Okay, you guys, I am back with Biscuit. You guys know Biscuit. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, you know Biscuit. He always makes an appearance somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would love for you guys to subscribe and keep watching all my fun videos. Oh my goodness, you got sneezy, huh? You okay? Okay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe. I know my subscribe button is in the lower right-hand corner, so when you have the video in the full view mode on any of your devices, your phone, laptop, iPad, it's in the lower right-hand corner. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll continue to make fun and entertaining videos on how to restore furniture. So I'm gonna give you guys my full review of what I thought about wrapping a bootie sock around a foam brush to apply a top coat. Now, normally when I apply a gel top coat, I'm talking an oil-based poly, I do it with just a 2-inch foam brush. And I like it. It's worked well for me in the past. I really haven't had any issues. Now, today I wrapped that nylon bootie sock around it, and I have to say, I feel like my finish even got smoother than before. So, I love it. I think I'm gonna continue using it. I really, really do. So my next challenge that I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna try applying polyacrylic with a foam brush with the nylon bootie over it. I'm gonna try that. So if you guys wanna try this method, I say go for it. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the results. If you guys have tried it, please leave a comment. Let me know. Have you tried the booty sock method? Has it worked for you? What other products have you used it? So far, I've only used the booty sock over the foam brush with the oil-based poly. I would like to try it, like I said, with the water-based polyacrylic. I'd like to try that out as well. So maybe that'll be my next video that I'll do. So until then, I will see you guys later. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. We'll see you guys soon. Okay, you guys, it's been about an hour since I applied the General Finishes gel top coat in a satin finish. And I used that booty method with the little booty nylon sock over the foam brush. And I gotta say, the results are beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, smooth finish. I definitely will be trying this method again.